Coffee. Coffee and tea, and to a lesser extent, cocoa, contain poisonous alkaloids which are harmful to the heart, digestive organs, kidneys, brain and nervous system. The caffeine in coffee and the theine in tea are powerful stimulants which cause the heart to beat excessively and irregularly. Caffeine causes a violent excitement of the nervous and vascular systems. Coffee is a drug, a form of dope, and those who habitually use it are, like smokers, drug addicts. Hygienic coffee substitutes, made from figs and cereals, are now on the market. Both tea and coffee retard digestion, as their stimulating effect on the digestive organs benumbs the small stomach nerves. Coffee does not contain any nutritive value. Coffee is an intoxicant. Coffee acts directly upon the kidneys, and produces high blood pressure. The use of tea and coffee causes wakefulness. 1 cup of coffee will add 700 extra beats to the heart, thus forcing it to work 1 hour a day overtime. This overwork is paid out of nature's storehouse of vitality. Coffee is a drug, it influences character. Continued use of coffee has a tendency to contract the muscles of the bowels and dry up their natural secretions so necessary to functioning. The pale, sallow complexion and the inveterate coffee drinker go together. The majority of the world are slaves to one kind of dope or another, and coffee is a form of dope, although coffee is a milder form than cocaine or opium. Coffee drinkers are real addicts through lack of proper knowledge and education of the poisons in it and their terrible nerve-wracking and destroying deleterious effects. Tea. The theine in tea, like caffeine, is very injurious to the nervous system, heart and digestive organs. Herb tea, alfalfa tea, and honey tea, made from honey and lemon dissolved in hot water, are hygienic tea substitutes. Tea contains a poison known as theine, which corresponds to a similar poison in coffee, known as caffeine. Both are strong poisons. Half a gram causes a quick pulse, nervous excitement, slight delusions, and lastly a desire for sleep. Small doses cause sleeplessness, irritability of the bladder and bowels, trembling of the extremities, and other signs of cerebral and nervous distress. Both these poisons work havoc with the system, ruining the nervous and mental life, and creating a dependence on stimulants, which may lead to alcoholic and other excesses. These poisons ruin the taste buds, retard proper digestion, cause constipation, and in many ways tend to ruin the constitution. They cannot be too strongly deprecated. Even cocoa contains injurious alkaloids, analogous to those contained in tea and coffee, and for that reason is to be avoided. Like all hot drinks, it tends to ruin the taste buds and induces a desire for more food that is needed.